The goal of our lead magnet, which is one of the main KPIs in my business, is to give them an experience with our content. Because when the mom puts on the earbuds and presses play and sits there for 20 minutes, and all of the stress of the commute, getting cut off, the road rage incident, the boss, the office cubicle she doesn't like, when all of that washes away, and then the kids show up after that, and she's present and she's grounded with them, and the whole evening is a totally different experience because of that one thing she did in between that came from a free thing we offered her from a pop-up on our blog. Boom, we've won. I don't look at the win for us as I made a sale. I look at the win when she has that experience and feels something shift in her life, the transformation moment. If we put barriers to transformation, if we're like, okay, I can help the world, but I'm only going to transform those who give this guy money, you're shooting yourself in the foot, because most people are going to look at your sales page and be like, I don't trust you. There's scammers all over. Like, I don't trust you. I don't believe it's going to work. I don't believe it'll work for me. I don't think I can trust you with my credit card. I don't trust any of it. And so they don't buy. Whereas when you move the minor transformation, that little step in the direction of their goals, when you move that before the transaction, the trust factor changes. The rest of the numbers from that point on change significantly. There's plenty of data to prove all of this. Demonstrate your ability to help them get the results they desire before asking for a sale. And surprise, surprise, you'll get a lot more people lining up with credit cards at hand saying, that was great. Where can I get more?